Hello everyone. In this video module, we will see how to use drill down option and optional metrics in Google Data Studio. So we have this table which shows sales according to region as well as according to the segment. Okay, so here we have sales in the East region in consumer segment of 7 lakh rupees. Okay, and the second row we have sales in the East region in corporate segment for 4 lakh rupees. So I feel this is so clustered and not so visually appealing. How can we make it better? That's where Google Data Studio comes. Here we use the option called drill down and optional metrics. What is drill down? Drill down is nothing but region is one layer of data, segment is our next layer of data, and both are visible now. If I want only one layer of data to be visible and the next layer should be visible only when I want it, that is only when I want the data to be drilled down, then I can use this option of drill down. Let me demonstrate how it works. So I'm going to click the drill down option, and by default region will be shown first and segment will be a drill down option. I can demonstrate how this is useful. Let us go to view, and in view here you can see sales for each region is there: east, west, north, south and central. When I'm drilling down, it's showing me the segment wise sales: consumer segment, corporate segment, home office segment and not classified segment. Okay, so you might ask me, what is the beauty in this? What is the advantage? Instead we can make two separate tables. Why should we use this drill down option? Here comes the beauty. If I want to see, I'm just going to drill up. If I want to see the segment wise sales for East region alone, then what can I do? I can simply click on East. So now East got highlighted, and when I drill down now, then the sales for only East region is shown. Okay. Similarly, I can just choose North alone and see the sales for North region. Okay. So this is such a powerful tool which will help us to avoid clustering of data, as well as it will help us to give the data which is essential. Okay. Now let's go back to the edit mode. Now we saw how this drill down option works. Now we are going to see optional metrics. Optional metrics option is more or less similar to drill down, but here we are going to use it for metrics, that is for quantitative data. Okay, I'm selecting optional metrics and I'm going to add profit. Okay, profit as my optional metrics. This simply means that in the original table only sales will be visible. Okay, but in future, if I want to see the profit according to each region or according to each segment, then I can simply do it by clicking this icon of optional metrics. When I click it, I can see only the sales value or the profit or both. Okay, now sales and profit is mentioned for each region. Okay, if I want it only for North region, then I can click North, and if I wanted to see it for each segment, then for each segment I'll get both sales and profit. If you want to see only profit, not the sales, then I can simply uncheck this, so I can see the profit of each segment in North region. Okay, so by this way you will be able to generate tables which are visually appealing and you can avoid crowding of data. This is how drill down and optional metrics can be used for effective representation of data. See you in the next video. Thank you.